bombshell from President Trump this morning, sending shockwaves through the military and the nation. President Trump, seemingly out of nowhere, announcing he's banning transgender people from serving in the military. There are between 11,000 to 14,000 transgender service members currently serving, and they've been able to serve openly since last year. CBS 4's Mola Lenghi is at the Pentagon with reaction.
Lieutenant Commander Blake Dreeman's 11-year career in the Navy is in jeopardy.
We are service members first and transgender people second.
Dreeman, who's been deployed 11 times, has been serving as a man for the past 3 years. But this morning, President Trump announced in a series of tweets that the government will not accept or allow transgender individuals to serve in any capacity in the U.S. military. The president gave as his reason the tremendous medical costs and disruption that transgender in the military would entail.
This was about military readiness. This was about unit cohesion. This was about resources within the military.
Dreeman called the decision surprising and disappointing.
Transgender people are already serving in various aspects of the military honorably, and they've shown no impact to readiness.
The Defense Department lifted the ban last year under the Obama administration.
Plans to allow transgender people to enlist were supposed to go into effect in July, but Defense Secretary James Mattis recently gave his military chiefs a 6-month delay.
The Pentagon won't release numbers, but a RAND study found there are between 2,500 and 7,000 transgender service members in the active duty military and up to 4,000 in the reserves.
The president's allegations of tremendous medical cost are a bold-faced lie.
The Pentagon says it's working with the White House and will provide revised guidance in the near future. Mola Lenghi for CBS News, the Pentagon.
Some conservative organizations and lawmakers hailed the decision. Republican Congressman Steve King of Iowa said, quote, "We don't need to be experimenting with the military," unquote. But retiring Miami Congresswoman Ileana Ros-Lehtinen was not happy with the president's ban, tweeting, quote, "No American, no matter their sexual orientation or gender identity, should be prohibited from honor and privilege of serving our nation. #LGBT. And Caitlyn Jenner, who openly supported President Trump's election, cited a 2016 tweet from then-candidate Trump, thanking the LGBT community and promising to fight for them. She added to that tweet, saying, quote, "There are 15,000 patriotic transgender Americans in the U.S. military fighting for all of us. What happened to your promise to fight for them?" Our coverage of President Trump's ban doesn't end here. Ted Scouten has a look at how people in South Florida feel about the transgender ban. That's all new on the CBS 4 News at 6.